Hi everybody, my name is Ashlyn Walker and I'm an SIR at Seven Islands State Birding Park in Knox County, Tennessee. I'm also a student. I'm studying conservation biology at Lincoln Memorial University, and I'm super lucky to have this experience while still being in school. SIR stands for Seasonal Interpretive Ranger, and it is a seasonal position that takes place from mid-May through Labor Day in September. A lot of people don't know what interpreter means in my job title, and the best way that I like to explain it is that sometimes our science talk can sound like a foreign language to guests. It's important for us to remember that not everyone has a background in science or history, so it's important that we meet people where they are, especially when we're working with children. So my job specifically relates to programming, and the goal is to reach as many people as possible. We want to get people outside for them to learn and care about conservation and to have wonderful experiences connecting them to the outdoors, because it relates to our mission in Tennessee state parks. For programming this year, I have done lots of frog walks where we talk about the different types of frogs and amphibians here at the park. I've spent a lot of time with the spotting scope, which is essentially a telescope that we can put our cameras on to see wildlife from far away. Plenty of kids programming. We've done junior ranger activities, river explorations, story times, you name it. And plenty of adult programs too. I've done a habitat hike where we learn about how the different habitats support different types of birds within the park. I've done some beginner photography, and even some beginner birding stuff, because I'm very much a beginner birder myself. My favorite thing about programming is sharing my passion with others. It really makes my day to see people just signing up for programs, because I know that they're taking an initiative and learning. I love to see their faces light up when they learn cool things about the outdoors, especially when I'm working with kids. Public outreach is a huge step in conservation, and I'm just so thankful to be a part of it this summer. Alongside programming, I also have many other duties. Because Seven Islands has such a very small staff, we like to say that every job is everyone's job, except law enforcement, of course. There is always something to be done, and every single day is different. Between programs, I spend time completing the other needed tasks. This could be cleaning restrooms, weed eating, removing invasives, working on future programs. There's always something to be done. The job is not always glamorous, but we did not sign up for that. One of my favorite things about working at Seven Islands is that I have learned so much while being here. I have gotten to observe and participate in research. I have been trained in bird handling, and I have gotten to see what life might be like as a ranger. I feel like I learn something new every single day from staff, volunteers, and sometimes even guests. I've also gotten to experience wildlife in ways that I never have before. If you think you may have a future in conservation or Tennessee state parks, I highly recommend that you apply, because I am so thankful to have this experience as a student.